Now we're doing a 100 shot.
It's over there. My dad has to back up. Ooh, these people are
This is part 2 of the 4th of July celebration.
Fireworks. There's just little like shots.
I mean, I got to sit down for this one.
It's pretty long.
Yay, up in the air. Look at this, guys. It's spinning around.
It spins. Does that.
That's cool.
Yeah. So we're about to do.
All right, guys, last but certainly not least,
My brother's videoing.
the grand finale. We are doing a rabbit hole.
Yes, it's the grand finale.
I do not have my flashlight on because I think it actually ruins the view.
Wow. So we'll see how this is. I don't
So
really
let's do
know.
this.
I don't know.
There it is, light it up right there, lit up. Wow, whoa!
They shoot at and that.
Wow! That's beautiful! 16 shots! 16 shots, no 38! Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari.
Right.
That was awesome.
Everywhere, probably.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this July 4th special. I hope to see you in other videos. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.